Hey, Lauren from Talamas. In this video, I'd like to tell you about our new Sennheiser G4 Turnkey System. The G4 system is super flexible and can be used in multiple settings, so if you're in broadcasting, film, live sound, or conferences, you're gonna love it. The same goes for school systems because it is a high quality, easy to operate, and durable package. We put this together because we saw the value in offering you a complete and hassle-free solution. We build the rack, we set up frequencies for your location, and we fully test everything before we deliver a ready-to-use system to your doorstep. All you need to do is power it up, set it, and forget it. This is a system that works whether you're a seasoned sound pro or new to wireless audio. Starting with the 100 series, you'll get infrared syncing and fast frequency allocation for up to 12 receivers. It features a rugged metal housing good for lifespan and reliability. And the handheld microphone, it's feedback proof. The benefits just stack up. Now, the G4 has the same bandwidth as the G3 and gives you up to 300 feet of perfect sound. If you need more power, Sennheiser makes a 300 and 500 series with 88 MHz of bandwidth, giving you more flexibility with the upcoming frequency allocation changes. The G4 proves its worth when everything has to be right from the start. Interested in learning more? Call or email sales, or just come by to Talamas and check it out. We'll be happy to show you how our Sennheiser G4 Turnkey System is a sound worry-free solution.